A very good day to one and all, ladies and gentlemen. This is Venkatesh J from Team Phoenix, representing Sri Manakula Engineering College, Puducherry, of Team ID 1281443. So, our product name is NeuronCom, which arises from brain communication interface through communicating via our brain to electronic devices, as well as helping people with disabilities to monitor the factors and overcome their disabilities via our product. So, NeuronCom's problem statement arises with people's certain disabilities, which amounts to 15% of the world population. So, there is a wide market existing. We are using electroencephalogram, which is EEG electrodes, and open PCI. So, the first concept is product pricing. The product pricing is arrived after our team of members and a specialist sat down and analyzed each and every aspect of our market. After analyzing those markets, we have come to a price of 1,50,000, which is the concluded fixed price. We came to this price by analyzing all the tenders required for manufacturing PCB and all the other components, including marketing, surveillance, and also many other factors like corporate relations and finally the research and development costs. So after arriving to these costs, we have analyzed every product which would be a competition for us. But the conclusion is there is no product like ours, because ours is different and unique in a factor, which we will be speaking in the next one. Our product can be termed as unique because the technology used is brain-computer interface along with multiple technological factors like neural network, brain computing, and other factors like artificial intelligence and machine learning. When we unify all these factors into one single platform, we would be achieving a cutting-edge technology and a unique product. So here you can see the uniqueness of our product. And another thing about it is portable. So a small, powerful setup such as a BCI NeuroCom has led us into conclusion that our product is different and innovative. So using technologies of brain-computer interface and communicating with electronic devices and use applications like WhatsApp, Instagram, such networking devices, and also other various applications of day-to-day lives would give an edge to people with disability, making them equally compatible as normal. So this is the differentiation and uniqueness of our product. According to World Report on Disability, nearly 15% of the world population is suffering from some kind of disability, which would have gradually increased due to man-made and natural factors. There is always a sizable market for the products that overcome disability of the disabled persons. And the customers who buy our product would find our product extremely feasible. The software technology dependencies include platform for machine learning, artificial intelligence, neural network, and brain computing interface. These sections are very important in the software section. When we move to the hardware dependencies, it would come on to the onboard single board computer, EEG electrodes and their channel cups, which are used in our prototype, and also including several workstation and R&D requirements. These technologies are used for developing our prototype, and thus comes NeuronCom as a product. The determination of success depends upon the customer feasibility, the services rendered by the system. The technology has been converted to our use according to the targeted customer arena by customizing software, hardware, and all the required agendas for success and to increase the probability of sale market. The proposed idea is unique and with innovation such that there is no existing product which has all these technologies unified, which gives a cutting-edge advantage to our system thereby using a cutting-edge technology. Our team is aware of our potential customers, and our team strongly works on the belief that our prototype would change the lifestyle of every person with disabilities, and thus adapt to new technologies, use it, and give a well-aware information and setup by performing a certain infrastructure for the populace of disability. Let's move on to our final step, which is distribution strategy. Our distribution strategy is dependent upon various marketing models which are analyzed and deeply implemented by many organizations, which would also be amplified by us. So, let's move on to how we are applying these marketing models. We would be contacting standalone institutions like paraplegic institutions, hospitals, old age homes, where there is a certain requirement for our product, which would be readily accepted because every person wants to lead a normal life, and these organizations work toward and also act as non-governmental organizations, which include lots of funding, which also include charities. So, thus, we would be having a wide market here, which would be attracting other consumers as it would be our testing product. So, our distribution is immediately accepted by using thus techniques, strategies, and finally, our product would shine. And our prototype is not an accessory for normal people. It would be a varied requirement which would be converting people with disabilities into a normal section of life while making their life a step up and increasing its value. A product would act as a life changer in their person.
Hey there, I'm here to speak on behalf of the product program that was just demonstrated to me. I personally think that this product will help to change the life of people who are differently abled, and it will help them to tend to express themselves through their smartphones just like we do nowadays. I really think that this product should come to the markets, and it will be really helpful for the people who are differently able